welcome and thanks for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. So, we are so glad to have you here and we are so excited to know about your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So, let's start with the first question. Please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Paradhi Govindraju. I'm the founder and CEO of Okulo Aerospace. At Okulo Aerospace, we're redefining aerial intelligence for persistent monitoring applications, both in enterprise and defense. We develop solar-electric hybrid drones for monitoring large area assets and long linear assets like borders, pipelines, roads and railway corridors. Our first product is showcased here, which is SUVI V1. And thanks for the Drone Expo team for having us here.
Which is the hero product you are showcasing at Drone Expo 2026, sir?
Yes. So our first product that we are showcasing is SUVI V1, which you can see on the right and to my left. So this is a first certified fixed wing UAV in the country, and so far the only one. And we are the first solar electric UAV also to be certified in the country. So a lot of first. We're happy to showcase here. This has the longest flight times for its class of UAV, up to 8 hours during the day. So first of a kind in the country, longest flight times, a lot of records. Happy to showcase this at Drone Expo.
That's awesome, sir. In your views, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from others?
So we have developed proprietary methodologies to design new systems. We use a lot of computational techniques to reduce the cost of development and also the speed of time of development. So let's say other competitors would take 2 years to develop a product. We could do it in as short as 6 months. So this is just not a prototype. It's a product that meets industrial grade requirements. So we also develop solar electric hybrid. So our drones fly using solar power during the day, and the batteries on board are used for nighttime or low light flight.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
What message would you like to share with potential customers, visitors, and the individuals exploring your booth?
Sure. So most customers are aware of drones being used for mapping and surveying, which is the common first generation use cases. Currently, because we have enhanced the flight time of drones from say 1 hour, 2 hours to now 8 hours, we can do persistent monitoring. Persistent monitoring is you can observe an area of interest for longer periods of time or at very short intervals. So any large area asset owners like solar parks, industrial parks, ports can now monitor their entire asset in real time. We enable real-time transmission of video and footage. We also have developed the software layer so that decision makers can have access to this information any part of the world through apps and websites. So whatever is happening on your site, let's say in Bangalore, can now be accessed in real time by decision makers situated in other parts of the country. Say they are in Delhi, they want to see what's happening to the asset. Is the security proper? What is the integrity of the asset? All that can be known in real time. We enable real-time persistent intelligence.
That's nice. I hope you had a great experience at Drone Expo 2026. So, actually, we are holding again in the month of September at New Delhi, the same Drone Expo 2026. Would you like to participate again, sir?
Definitely. We're looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Sure.
We'll be looking forward to meet you again, sir.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you very much.